GE3171 Problem Solving and Python Programming Laboratory. Exercise number 10b. Implementing real-time or technical applications using exception handling. That is author's age validity. We are going to check that. First, let's see what is that exception. How to handle that exceptions. That is a try block will be there. Try block must be followed by except statement. Which is a try block is not executed properly, it will move to the except part. Okay. So that is a try. It will run this code. If it is not run, it will move to the except. This statement will be executed. Syntax. Try colon. That is important. Then block of statements or block of codes will be there. If it is not properly executed, it will move to the exception 1. Then this block of code will be executed. If it is not executed, it will move to the next one, exception 2. Right. Let's see the program. First try colon age is equal to int input of enter your age. You are getting the input from the user, so that this input of function is used. By default, Python will give you string data type of values. Here I need an integer, right? So that int type conversion is used here. It will be converted to integer. Next, after doing this all work, it will be stored in age variable. If age is greater than 18, print eligible to vote. Else, print not eligible to vote. Okay. If this condition is not executed, it will directly move to this except. Print age must be valid number. Okay, see the output. Enter your age. Age wants to be 1, 2 like that in the number format. But here type 2TWO. So that is an exception occurred. So age must be valid number. This one is executed. Right. Let's see the lab exercise. Exercise number 10b. Implementing real-time or technical applications using exception handling, which is voter age validity. A. To write a Python program for implementing real-time or technical applications using exception handling, which is voter's age validity. Algorithm. Step 1, start. Step 2, take input from the user, that is the age. And step 3, if the entered data is not integer, it will throw an exception. Step 5, if no exception is there, return the message. Step 6, stop the program. Same program. First try is executed. If it is not executed, that exception will be executed. The output is first enter your age is 2. So exception occurred. So this is except statement is executed. That is age must be valid number. Next, once again I executed. If I give 16, not eligible to. This is a output. Let's see the execution part in Python. Then go to the start, type IDLE. In the description box I have given how to install Python. You can refer that link. Open, file, new file. Here you can start typing the program. After you type the program, click the file, save. Then you can click the file. Give the file name. That is I have given EXCEPX. Then click save. Then after saved, click run module. Here enter your age. Now I am going to enter 20. So I got the output eligible to vote. Once again I execute this run module. Here I am going to enter THREE 3. Instead of integer I am entering the string. Okay, enter. So age must be valid number. So we got the correct output. Result. That's the Python program for implementing real-time or technical applications using exception handling, that is voter's age validity, was written and executed successfully. I hope you all understood how to handle that exception, the try, except syntax, and how to write a program and how to execute in Python. Thank you.